to Learning with Lisa. It's time to practice another sound. Here are my 3 clues for today. Net, night, nurse. Say them with me this time. Net, night, nurse. All these things start with the sound mm. Today's new sound is mm. Is for net. Net. Is for nurse. Nurse. Is for night. Night. Let's practice saying Can you say in a surprised voice? Can you say in a sleepy voice? Let's do some sorting. Look at my pictures. I have a note, needle, fox, tree, and no entry sign. Give me a thumbs up if they start with the sound and a thumbs down if they don't. Ready? Note. Yes, that's right. Is for note. Needle. That starts with a n as well. Fox. Did you do a thumbs down? It's not a knox, it's a fox. Tree. Yes, that's a thumbs down. It's not a knee, it's a tree. No entry. Yes, that starts with a N is for no. Note, needle and no entry all start with the sound Let's practice writing Watch me first. Now it's your turn to practice writing in the air. Use your magic finger to copy the dots. Ready? Well done. It's time to do some counting. How many necklaces have on them? You might want to pause the video to count. Let's check if you were right. 1, 2. There are 2 necklaces with on them. Today we practice the initial sound There are lots more sounds to practice. Keep a lookout for my other videos. Bye!